What's up, legacy makers? It's Sebastien Boyer, the approved guy. And on this video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Kingdom Finance team. If you are someone who wants to become a finance coach for folks on the personal and or business side, teaching stewardship, teaching debt elimination strategies, personal and business credit, teaching legacy building, teaching infinite banking and becoming your own banker. If you're someone who wants to help other people with these high level strategies and implementing them in their lives for their family and their future, then that's exactly what we're doing at the Kingdom Finance team. I've created a system called the Legacy Generation System that you can tap into right away and start using that as a way to connect, communicate, and teach other people. There are 7 pillars to the Legacy Generation System. Keeping it really simple, pillar number 1 is know yourself. This has to do with identity and purpose and aligning your values and beliefs with your money. Pillar number 2 is your wealth reserve account. This is the foundational account, the engine that you use to store and build your wealth, that you're able to protect your money in, and you're able to deploy money from this account and invest in assets or to pay off debt and then recapture that money back in this account that's growing at an average of 6% compounding interest, tax-free forever. Pillar number 3 are trusts. There are different types of trusts depending on where you are on your journey. There are revocable trusts, and then there are irrevocable trusts. And there are many types of irrevocable trusts. So we educate our clients on the different types of trusts, and we help them to get connected with an attorney firm that we work with to take advantage of those services. Pillar number 4 is tax strategies. Tax strategies is advanced tax planning. So most accountants and CPAs or bookkeepers are basically looking back. They're reactive. They look and see, what did you do? And they document, record that, and report that. And then whatever the standard tax deductions are, you take advantage of that. A tax strategist looks forward. They're proactive. So starting 12 months in advance, 6 months in advance, they prepare a plan for you to implement certain strategies that you have to execute, you have to document, so that when the day comes for you to file your taxes, you can have all these things already completed, but you can't do it last minute. So a tax strategist prepares a plan for you to maximize the tax code and take advantage of all of the tax loopholes that are available specifically for entrepreneurs and business owners. If you're a W-2 income earner, that's still available, but there's a lot more for you available if you're a business owner. So part of tax strategy also could be forming an entity, which also kind of goes back to the second pillar with the trust, or the third pillar with the trust, because in that pillar, we also talk about setting up business structures and putting them inside the trust. And the fifth pillar is going to be leveraging debt the smart way. So that's building up your personal and your business credit so it's optimized so you can qualify for the best funding, the best rates, and the best terms on loans and lines of credit to start and launch and grow your business, or to leverage for investments and other purposes, including for velocity banking to pay off debt, depending on your strategy that you're implementing. So ultimately, preparing in advance with personal and business credit can get you access to the best rates and terms so you don't fall in the trap of expensive money that is more harmful than helpful. Ultimately, we want to get you in a position where you'll never need to rely on the banks again. But in the meantime, we're going to partner with the banks and leverage them so that we can grow from that strategically. Number 6 is going to be retirement, is freedom in retirement. And that has to do with creating a pension so that in your retirement years, you have guaranteed income that you know is going to be there to pay your living expenses. And what this does is it alleviates the worry or concern that you're going to run out of money based off of pulling money from investments like 401ks or other investments. Those don't give you guaranteed income forever. And if you deplete those investments, then of course, what are you going to do next? So many people that are retiring that don't have these plans in place properly, even though they have a lot of money in investments, still live in worry and stress and anxiety that they're going to run out. So instead of living retirement in freedom, they live in fear. So we want you to live in freedom. We want you to experience your retirement without the worry of running out of money, so that you can leave that as a legacy instead of having to draw from it for your retirement years. So this is freedom in retirement, and that is the 6th pillar. The 7th pillar of the legacy generation system is your family constitution. And this is where we help you as a client to create a document that defines the rules, the roles, the laws, everything from milestones to rules on leveraging and borrowing from the family trust, everything from requirements for education, requirements for accessing the funds in the trust, creating limitations and boundaries, and creating systems that will replenish the trust in perpetuity so that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 generations, infinite generations down the road, your family will have a trust that is going to protect and grow the family wealth in perpetuity. Just imagine your great grandchildren seeing a painting of you above the fireplace, and your great great grandchild says, "That's your great great grandfather who started the family wealth and created this trust and this system so that we could have a lifestyle and have the ability to live the way we live, have the freedom to create in this life versus being a slave." That's legacy, folks. And this program is called the Legacy Generation System. You can check it out. It's a free masterclass, legacygenerationsystem.com. And again, if you want to partner up with the Kingdom Finance team and become a certified legacy coach to be able to serve people at this level, educating them and helping them to implement these tools, then just schedule a one-on-one with me and I'll help you to get on board. I'll be able to set you up with a discount for the insurance license so that you can get set up with the license and you can start helping people as soon as possible. There'll be a link in the description below for the Kingdom Finance team. There'll be a link in the description below for the Legacy Generation System. I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let someone know who will let someone know about this information. God bless and take great care.